welcome. This is Bloom Art by SW and I'm Shanaz. I'm really excited. I did a nice little order from Jackson Art and I bought some watercolour pencil crayons. So I'm going to open this up for you and just show you what I've bought and hopefully do some swatching for you as well. So stick around. Okay, so first of all, I wasn't expecting the box to be this big. So I also bought, let me get that opened for you. I also bought pencil sharpener because I thought watercolour pencil crayons, we are going to need a pencil sharpener as well. However, I'm a bit worried because I don't know if the size of the pencil sharpener hole is going to be big enough. When I looked online on the Jackson's Art website, it said this is for graphite pencils. And when I asked the AI chat through the website, it didn't actually say this would fit 2.8 millimeters, which is what the Caran watercolour pencil crayon size is. So we'll check that in a second. So yes, I have bought some Caran. I'm assuming that's how you say it. Caran. I'm assuming that's how you say it. I did look online to see exactly how you say it, and I'm assuming it's like that. But anyway, so I bought. Let's get this opened. Exciting! I love getting new stuff. Wow, look at that. That's nice. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I have bought Caran watercolour or watercolour pencils or water soluble colour pencils, and it's a Swisscolor range. Also, I'm a little bit annoyed at myself because I did the research after I had placed the order, and it turns out these are really, really good pencil crayons, watercolour pencil crayons, but it's aimed at kids. So they're still supposed to be really good anyway, but if I'd have known and if I'd have done a bit more research properly, I might have bought the next ones up, if that makes sense. I don't know the whole range. I haven't bought watercolour pencil crayons for years. And the reason why I bought these was because a lovely lady on TikTok asked a question in her post, what got you into watercolours? And I mentioned that I started painting or drawing with pencil crayons, just normal pencil crayons. And I do have some watercolour pencil crayons, but really, really, really cheap ones. In fact, I can show you, I've got them here from Crawford and Black, which is part of the Works. So here in the UK, we've got an art store. It's like basically pretty cheap stuff, but these are not great in comparison. But we're not here to talk about them, we're here to talk about these. So it'll be interesting to see how I get on with these. I like how it comes with even more packaging. Okay, so first thing I'm going to show you is, okay, so we've got the tin, we've got the cover, the tin. It comes in the beautiful tin. It's 40 colours. I think you can get different set sizes. I'm pretty sure there's a 30, an 18 and a 12 set as well, I think. I got these from the Jackson Art website here in the UK. I think they're based in London. I think you can order from them if you are anywhere in the world. You might have to just check the website and they will deliver. Is that part of the tin? Not sure. I'm not going to use my nail to scratch it out. So you've got this lovely red cover at the front. You've got these pictures at the back. Soft leads, water soluble, bright colours, economical in use, regular colour to colour consistency, can be combined with other Caran products as well, and you've got all that in different languages as well. Okay, so let's get this opened. Exciting bit. Ooh, very nice. First thing I'd like to check is if it will fit in this. Yep, perfect. Don't need to do a returns, so that's fine. We can put that to one side. Okay, so let's just pick one up. Let's have a look. Swisscolor, and you've got a nice little, I'm guessing it's their logo, Caran d'Arche, Swiss made, and you've got all 40 colours. I don't think they are like watercolours in terms of you've got names for the different colours. For example, lemon yellow I use quite a lot of. It doesn't actually say the name of what the colours are on the crayons, not the crayons, on the pencil crayons, on the colour pencils. I'm just going to lift this up. Well, try to. I'm not sure what's happened here. But I'm going to lift this up just to see if we get anything else with it. I sort of thought there would be a leaflet with it, I guess, but there isn't. So I've decided not to swatch in this video. Please watch the next video, which will be uploaded next week. And the results I thought were pretty impressive. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.